You are going to love the 2013 Fit. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lights, drive-by-wire throttle, front stabilizer bar, front-wheel drive, body color door handles, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find cruise control, tinted glass, USB audio interface, cargo area light, child-proof rear door locks. The Fit was engineered to be useful, efficient, and reliable. But its most important attribute is its innate charm and coolness. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.